Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Talk. It's so good to have you here again. I'm Anna.
And I'm Mark. We're excited to join you for another episode where we help you practice real, everyday English in a natural and fun way.
Absolutely. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Your support helps us grow and create more useful lessons for you.
Thank you so much. Now, today's episode is all about habits. The little things we do every day, every week, sometimes without even thinking about them.
That's right. Habits can be healthy, unhealthy, funny, expensive, and sometimes a little embarrassing.
Oh, trust me, I have plenty of those.
We all do, Mark. But before we dive into that, let's start with something simple. It's a beautiful day today, isn't it?
It really is. I walked to the studio this morning and the weather was perfect. I even stopped to watch a dog chasing butterflies. It made my day.
That sounds adorable. I walked here too, and I listened to music on the way. It helps me wake up.
What music do you usually listen to?
Mostly pop songs. Something cheerful. They put me in a good mood. What about you?
In the morning, I sometimes listen to the news, but today I played some soft jazz. It made me feel calm and a little sleepy.
That explains your slow energy when you walked in. Okay, let's start simple. Mark, how would you explain what a habit is?
A habit is something you do again and again, almost automatically. You don't plan it, you just do it, like brushing your teeth or checking your phone.
Right? For example, every morning when I wake up, I drink a glass of water. I don't think about it. It's a habit.
That's a healthy habit. I should probably try that. My first habit is checking my phone. Not healthy at all.
Most people do that. We wake up, open our eyes, grab the phone. Not great.
Exactly. So today we'll talk about morning habits, work habits, evening habits, weekend habits, and even some embarrassing ones.
So, Mark, what's the very first thing you do in the morning?
Well, after opening my eyes, which is very important, I check my phone.
Don't we all? Do you ever try to avoid that?
I try, but then my brain says, what if you have an important message? Most of the time, I don't.
My doctor once told me that phone light in the morning is bad for the eyes, but I still do it sometimes.
What's one good morning habit you have?
I always make my bed. It takes only 1 minute, but it makes my room feel tidy.
I wish I could relate. I sometimes make my bed, usually only when someone might see my room.
Typical. What about breakfast? Do you have any breakfast habits?
Oh, yes, I always drink tea. I almost never drink coffee in the morning.
Interesting. I'm the opposite. I always drink coffee. In fact, I can't start my day until that first cup.
How many cups do you drink?
Uh, Usually 2 or 3. Okay, maybe 3.
That's not usually, that sounds like always.
Fine. Always.
How do you usually get to work, Anna?
I take the bus most days. But on Fridays, I often drive because I like to do my big grocery shopping after work.
Makes sense. I walk to work almost every day. It's healthy and free.
Walking is a great habit. Now tell me, what's a habit you have at work?
I always start my day by making a to-do list. I write down everything I want to finish.
That sounds organized.
It does, but the problem is sometimes I lose the list.
That sounds like you.
Another problem, I'm often late to meetings
Why?
because I think I have more time than I actually do. It's a terrible habit.
Try arriving 5 minutes early.
5 minutes early, I'm lucky if I arrive on time.
Let's talk about evenings. What do you do after work?
First, I sit on my sofa and do nothing for 10 minutes. I need that moment of peace.
That sounds nice.
After that, I usually go to the gym.
Wow, I never go to the gym. Ever.
Really? What do you do for exercise?
I walk from the couch to the fridge.
That doesn't count.
What do you do at the gym?
I run on the treadmill and sometimes I lift weights.
After the gym, do you cook dinner?
Yes, I cook most days.
I don't cook often. I usually order food, maybe 3 times a week.
That's an expensive habit.
I know, but cooking for one person feels boring.
What about after dinner? What's your habit?
I always wash the dishes right away. I hate waking up to a dirty kitchen.
I often leave them in the sink and wash them the next morning.
Mark! That is a terrible habit.
I know, but I'm trying to change.
Do you have a bedtime routine?
Yes, I brush my teeth, wash my face, and then read for about 15 minutes before sleeping.
That's nice. I also read before bed, but sometimes I check my phone in bed.
Same, and I know that habit is terrible for sleep.
Let's make a deal. No phones in bed tonight.
Tonight I can try.
Are your weekends different?
Very different. On Saturdays, I always sleep late, sometimes until 10 or 11 a.m.
I can't do that. I wake up around 8 even on weekends.
Why?
Habit, my internal alarm clock.
On Saturdays, I often meet friends for lunch. On Sundays, I clean my home.
Every Sunday?
Yes, I vacuum, wash clothes, clean the kitchen. It's my weekly routine.
I clean only when my home forces me to clean, maybe once every 2 weeks.
Now, let's talk about bad habits. This is the part where I shine.
Go ahead.
I often bite my nails when I'm nervous.
That's common. I sometimes do that too.
Another bad habit, I lose things. Sunglasses, keys, headphones,
How many sunglasses did you lose this year?
maybe 5 or 6 pairs.
5 or 6? That's not a bad habit. That's a disaster.
What about you? What's your worst habit?
Buying coffee every day. I have a coffee machine at home, but I still buy coffee from the shop.
That adds up. Why not make it at home?
Because the coffee shop coffee tastes better, and the barista knows my name.
So, how do we change habits?
Start small. Really small.
Like what?
If you want to exercise, don't run 5 kilometers on day 1. Just walk for 5 minutes.
Right? Or if you want to drink more water, put a glass on your desk.
Exactly. And consistency matters. A little bit every day.
I think I'll start eating a piece of fruit every day.
Good. And I will start calling my family more instead of only texting. We used many important words today. Let's review them quickly.
First, habit, something you do regularly without thinking.
Second, always. 100% of the time.
Never, 0% of the time.
Usually, most of the time.
Often, many times.
Sometimes, not regularly. Maybe 50%.
Routine, a sequence of habits.
Healthy versus unhealthy, good or bad for you.
All right, friends, now it's your turn to practice.
Today's question is, what is one good habit you have and one bad habit you want to change?
Write your answer in the comments below. Use the words we practiced always, usually, often, never, sometimes.
We read every single comment and we love seeing your progress.
Make sure to like the video and subscribe to Daily English Talk for more fun lessons every week.
Thank you for joining us. Keep learning, keep practicing, and remember, building good habits takes small steps.
See you in the next episode.